Meat is a food product that humans have consumed for thousands of years. It is valued as a source of protein, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Rarely do we stop to think about what meat is actually made of on a microscopic level and how complex its internal structure truly is. At this moment, it looks completely ordinary. There is nothing unusual about it, and most people would recognize it instantly as food. I place this small fragment onto a microscope slide and begin preparing it for observation. Working at this scale requires accuracy and patience, because any movement or pressure can change the way the sample appears under magnification. At 80 times magnification, the meat no longer looks solid. Instead of a single piece, I see irregular translucent fragments spread across the slide. These large, uneven shapes are parts of muscle tissue that were separated during preparation. At this level, the structure appears chaotic, with torn edges and folded layers. Small dark particles scattered around the sample are tissue fragments and protein residues. This magnification gives a general overview. At 200 times magnification, the structure starts to become more organized. The muscle tissue looks layered, with clearer boundaries and sharper edges. I can now distinguish thicker strands of tissue and areas where fibers overlap. These folded regions were once tightly packed inside the muscle. Tiny granular particles become more visible at this scale. They are parts of broken cells and intracellular material released during cutting. At 800 times magnification, the internal structure becomes much more detailed. Here, the muscle fibers are clearly visible. They appear as elongated thread-like formations running alongside each other. These fibers are the basic building blocks of muscle tissue. The surface is no longer smooth. I can see fine textures, small inclusions, and variations in density. Some rounded shapes and bubbles are visible as well. These are likely fluid-filled spaces, fat droplets, or air introduced during slide preparation. At 2,000 times magnification, we enter a completely different world. The tissue now fills the entire frame. Individual fibers appear thick and textured, with visible internal patterns and subtle lines running through them. Tiny circular structures and microparticles can be seen throughout the image. These represent cellular components and microscopic remnants of muscle cells. At this scale, the meat no longer resembles food at all. It looks like a complex biological landscape formed by millions of microscopic structures working together. This is meat under extreme magnification, a hidden world that exists inside something we eat every day. If you want to see more objects under the microscope, write in the comments what I should examine next. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more microscopic explorations of the unseen world.